In today's video, we're gonna look into on how to add device in Amazon Prime. If you want to add in multiple devices to be able to use the features of Amazon Prime, you can do it within the website of Prime Video. So for this, just open up your web browser and search for primevideo.com. Once you're here, you just need to log into your account, and once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon on the top right and open up accounts and settings. You may again need to log into your account, so do that and tap on sign in. Once you're on this accounts and settings tab, you just need to swipe left on the top and tap on your devices. Tap on register new device. Now the way that you enter and add in a new device is you just add in the registration code. The way that you find the registration code is you can follow the steps right here. First, you just open up your Prime Video app on any device or on the TV. Second step is register on the Prime website, and the third step is you'll find the code on the left side of the screen. So you just enter in the code right here and then tap on register device. And once your device has been registered, you can use the features of Amazon Prime on that device also. So that was a real quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked it and found this video useful. If you did, subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.